Do you have excess data to share? Ever feel like you are wasting your internet connection on social media without getting anything in return? What if I tell you that there's a way you can spend your data and earn extra free money to buy another data and have extra money left? Seems impossible, right? That's what I thought too until I discovered IPROYAL Pawns. On this app, you can earn hundreds of dollars daily just for sharing your internet connection with others. So, today, I am going to walk you through step by step how to sign up and install the app and start earning. And I'm also going to let you in on a little hack you can use to even earn more. And guys, this is available worldwide, no matter where you are in the world. But before we get to that, welcome to Anything Finance, a YouTube channel dedicated to you and your finances. Here, we discuss anything related to making money online. If it's finance, we'll talk about it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever we post similar videos like this. Please like this video and share it with all your friends. And don't be shy to leave a comment for us in the comment section below, cause we'll like to know what you think. Now, let's get to the video. So, to get started, go to your browser and type iproyal.com/pawns. As we can see, it says on the site, Passive Income Online. Make passive money online by sharing your internet. IPROYAL enables you to make money instantly. All you need to do to start generating income is to create a free account and install our app. How does IPROYAL work? 1. Install the app on the devices you wish to use and connect them to the internet. 2. Run the IPROYAL Pawns app, which securely shares your internet connection with no access to personal data. 3. We use your connection to gather bits of information from the internet. 4. Companies use these gathered bits for various services. How much can you expect to earn? Your earnings depend on the amount of traffic, in gigabyte you share, and how long you keep the application running on the IPROYAL network. The longer you stay online, the more you earn. So, if you share as low as 2 gigabytes a day, and you run the app for 0 hour, you'll earn $6 per month. But if you share up to 20 gigabytes and you run the app for 24 hours, you'll earn $132 per month. However, our users can earn from $5 to $140 per month on average for just keeping our app active on the device. So, for just keeping the app active and not even sharing any data at all, you can still earn a lot. Wow! You can literally be sleeping and be making money. If this isn't passive earning, I don't know what is. So let's go ahead and create that free account now. Go ahead and click on the sign up button, which will bring you to the registration page. First of all, fill out your email address, input your password here, confirm your password. You did not come to this page through an affiliate link, so ignore this space meant for your registration gift coupon code. By clicking sign up, you agree to IPROYAL Pawns terms and privacy policy. Yes, go ahead and click sign up. Or if you don't want to sign up this way, you can simply do so by clicking on continue with Google button. Then choose your preferred Google account to sign up to start earning free cool money. Then, go ahead and download it for your Windows. If you're using Mac, it also works on it, so don't worry. IPROYAL Pawns makes payment through PayPal, BTC currency and virtual gift cards. So, if you're from any country that PayPal service does not work in, just use your BTC crypto wallet address to collect your payment, or you can also simply accept virtual gift cards. Before I forget, here is how you'll earn more. If you want to earn more, you can install the app on as many devices as you want, as long as they're not on the same network. So let's say, for example, you have 2 phones and a laptop. Make sure you install IPROYAL Pawns in all the 3 devices and earn money from them simultaneously. So now, if you're supposed to make $140 in a month, with the 3 devices, you'll earn $420. So cool, right? To download the app on your phone, go to Google Play Store, type IPROYAL Pawns, then install it on your device. In case you are worried about internet security, you shouldn't, because IPROYAL Pawns is 100% secure. As you can see here, IPROYAL is built on 3 core pillars: security, safety and privacy. They also explained this in details here. We ask all our clients to identify themselves, so we know who uses your traffic at all times. We have a powerful in-house team that monitors all our traffic, so only legal usage is allowed. We never share any information about our pawns with any third parties. You see guys, your internet security is assured, so you have nothing to worry about. So, go ahead and start earning free money right now. I'm going to leave IPROYAL Pawns link in the description of the video to make it easier for you to sign up. And that's it for now guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video with anyone you know, friends, foes or even frenemy. Please just share this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.